What happened here is that in 2000, ciao, in 2015, in 2015, ciao. Where's my sign? Yeah.
This video is dedicated to all people who misunderstood the meaning of the Sicily Lovers Tour. The Sicily Lovers Tour is not only for couples only. As you have seen, this time we have 16 beautiful ladies who join our group tour. So if you want to travel with your girlfriend, with your best friend, if you want to travel alone like a solo traveler, this is your tour. As always happens in all our group tours of Sicily, our Sicily lovers are experiencing the walking guided tour of Palermo. Palermo is the capital of Sicily, a UNESCO site, and it's a must-see location. Feel free to contact us at info@bestthingstodoinsicily.com if you want to join one of our group tours, the Sicily Lovers Tour. We still have a few available spots in 2026, 2 spots in April and 2 spots in September 2026. The rest of the editions are sold out. Or send us an email if you want us to put together your custom private tour of Sicily. It will be available all year round. Thanks for watching and see you the next one. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao!